Are you new to meditation? Just beginning to explore your inner self? Or looking for a way to find peace and calm in your life? Then join me on your first step to this journey into your inner calm. Welcome to this gentle meditation for beginners. Find somewhere comfortable to sit or lay down, and then gently close your eyes, or you can leave them slightly open if you prefer. Allow your body to relax and settle into this moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs and abdomen completely. Wait, then slowly breathe out through your mouth. And again, breathe in, hold, and out. One more time. Inhale deeply. Pause. And exhale fully. Now, just allow your breathing to go back to its natural rhythm. There's no need to control it. Simply observe as your body breathes on its own. Just continue to breathe naturally. Bringing you to this present moment. Notice any sounds around you. Perhaps you hear birds chirping, cars passing by, or the quiet hum of your environment. Acknowledge these sounds without judgment, then gently let them fade into the background as you focus on your breathing. Now, turn your attention to your body. Begin at your toes and slowly move up your body. Notice any sensations in your feet, your legs, or your hips. Feel the heaviness of your body against the surface you are sitting or lying on. Continue upward, aware of your stomach, chest, arms, and shoulders. Pay attention to your neck, your face, and the top of your head. If you notice any tension, gently invite the area to relax. As thoughts come into your mind, and they will, simply observe them. Imagine them as clouds floating across the clear blue sky. You don't need to engage with them or push them away. Just watch them pass by. If you feel your mind wandering, that's perfectly normal. Just gently focus again on your breathing. Feel it flowing gently in and out of your body. Now, let's practice a simple technique together to help steady your mind. As you breathe in, silently count 1. As you breathe out, count 2. Then continue this pattern up to 10. If you lose count, just relax and go back to 1. Let's try for the next minute or so. Breathe in, 1, and out, 2. Breathe in, 3, and out, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Now let go of the counting and return to simply observing your breath. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to appreciate the stillness you've created within yourself. Even if your mind was busy, you've given yourself this time to pause and connect with the present moment. Now gradually begin to broaden your awareness. Notice the feeling of the air on your skin. The sounds around you. The space you're in. When you're ready to rejoin the world, slowly open your eyes if they've been closed. Take a deep breath in and out, and as you exhale, smile gently. You've just completed a meditation practice. Meditation is a skill that, like anything, you can develop the more you practice. Be patient and kind to yourself as you continue to explore this experience. Each time you meditate, you're nurturing a deeper sense of peace and awareness within yourself. Thank you for allowing yourself this time to connect with this meditation. May you carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day.